Okay, I'm going to show you the exact way to buy call options, the most easy way and guaranteed chance of winning. Right now, I did 10 call options. I only lost one. Doing it this way, you don't need to be in no Discord group or nothing. I'm going to show you exactly how to buy options, the most easy way for a guaranteed win. 90% time probably. So not every stock has options, but here's SNDL. I would wait until it starts moving up in price a little bit, then trade options. Now when I do it, I never pitch a few days in advance. I always go 2 weeks or 3 weeks away, even though it's like a guaranteed way to win options. So I'll pitch. The further date you pitch, the more money is gonna be. So I always pitch 2 weeks or 3 weeks away. I never do 5 days. So if you look at it, it says the cheer price is $2.05. Don't need to look at what it says. The call when it says 2.5, 2, 1. None of that even matters. All you have to do is look at strike price to break even percentage and break even percentage. So if it says $2.05, I'll buy the 0.5 call option. If you look at it, to break even is 1.4%. And it says $2.08. The price has to hit $2.08 for you to get paid. The higher I saved the price went to $2.50 or $3. The higher the price goes, the more money you get. Like many option groups pitch at really high price. I was in the option group for 30 days. I quit because I added 10 options. I lost three call options because he was picking the high prices. Like I would pick the 0.5 call option. He would pick the 3.5 call option. It has to hit $3.83, $1.80 more. And you get 86% though increase. Even though the increase is good, so this is $1.58, $1.60. So since this is almost a guaranteed win, this only has to go up 3 cents. And you might only make $20 maybe. That's why you buy 20 of them. You buy 10. That's if you can afford to. If not, you buy 3. 480. See, if we went down to the $3 one, it's like 1/3 of the price. See, 480 versus 135. But this way you have really bad chance of losing. Well, if you really want to do it, go to March 5th and pick. You don't need to pick the 208 one, you need to pick the 1.5 one. So another one that is about to explode. Once they confirm the merger, I'll probably be buying one. CCIV, $39. Go to trade options. I will pick March 19th. Since I know this is explode, it's $39.34. See that? See? Look how expensive that is, because you picked the very bottom one. The most guaranteed win. $3,000, but you might get $500 if the price goes up to $50. So I would probably pick. The price is definitely going a few dollars higher. I'll probably pick the $25 option. $1,700. See, now you know exactly how to do it. You don't need no option group, Discord group. You can do this all by yourself now. I'll show you another way how to do it. See, you look at the ones that are down for the day. So they have an option. So if you look at it, let's say you bought it right here at $325, at $14.21, and you didn't know it was going to shoot up. So $14.21. It's kind of expensive, but you could have bought the very bottom one, the 2.5, even though that's expensive. And bam, you could have sold, you would have got the money in 1 hour and sold it the same day. That's all you have to do. I just told you that's how you don't need to pay no membership now, or nothing. You can do it all by yourself. Just find one that's starts off high for the day. You see it's at 1468 and drops low. Buy call option. Cause you know if it was high, it's gonna shoot back up. And bam, you just made a bunch of money.